Hello future tech leaders, I am Sindhuja. Based on my own experience, I know that learning the right skills can shape our future. What if I say learning was as thrilled as the tech world itself? There we go. A cloud foundation, that's exactly what you will experience. From day one, you will be immersed in the interactive sessions and expert-led courses that covers most of the widely used technologies in the zone of data science to cloud computing, which brings more light to the life of a techie. I'm so excited to help you and unlock the true potential of a technology. Well, then why to wait? Let's see what it unfolds.
So today we will be covering the NetSuite, basically the initial overview of the NetSuite. What the normal interface look like? What are the options available to? Like general normal appearance, normal settings, normal features. We will look into that, and from the next session we will move to specific modules. So NetSuite is a cloud-based ERP. You can log in from any browser. Irrespective of your location, you just need a system and internet connection to log into NetSuite. You can log in from any browser, tree Chrome, Mozilla and other browsers. So when you log in into NetSuite, the first screen appears, which we call as homepage or we can call as dashboard. So this is the normal screen which appears. This is the dashboard which we are looking now. We can design a dashboard according to our specifications. We will see into that in the next session in detail. So first of all, I will little bit tell you about all the options available. So this tab is the global search of the NetSuite. Any report, any transaction, any master which is in the NetSuite, you can search from this global report. Let's say, for example, I have a vendor here, triple equal sending. I will write on the global search. And I will get this vendor name. And in the same way, you can search the transactions also. Any transaction number, any transaction. Whether it is the vendor invoice sales, invoice purchase order, sales order. Everything you can search from the global search. And it doesn't matter whether it is in capital, is it case sensitive, or just doesn't matter. It is not case sensitive. Alright. Then we will. So it's next, this is the global search. All the options you are seeing here. These are the options available as per your NetSuite access. As you can see, I am having the administrator access as of now. So administrator is having all the rights to in the NetSuite. And once we assign role to the users, we can assign the different roles according to their requirement, according to the customer requirement. So as of now, we are seeing as per the administrator role. Okay, so let's say list here. This list is related to the masters. All the masters we will create in the NetSuite will come under this list. Okay, for example, accounting. We have to create a chart of account, so we will use this option, Accounts. So this is the chart of account. This is all the GLs in which actual posting will be done once the transaction is posted. Account can be subsidiary specific and it can be also the multiple subsidiaries. Okay. And here currency master. Is there exchange rate you want to create in the NetSuite? Related to the items unit of measure billing schedule. All the masters which we want to have, we will find under the list options. Also the employees. Under the relationship, we will get our customer master vendors, computers, prospect leads. So this option is used for creating the masters in the NetSuite. When you say masters, it just means like a set of records or record type. Sorry masters, when you say master. Does that mean like a specific type of record? When you say master. So we will take it like that. For example, I have to create all my vendors into the NetSuite. Okay. So the vendor list will be all the vendor masters. Okay. If I want to create the customers, I have to use this option, list relationships, and then I will go to the customer and will create the customers from here. Okay, so we will talk about this as you can take it as a master or you can take it as a customer list or vendor list or all the other options which will be used in the transactions. Okay, now we will go to the setup. There are different options available in the setup.